Here we've got the Yamaha CR 2020 receiver. I'm not very familiar with this item myself, but we can take a quick look at what I've noticed. Looks to me like the power switch may have been replaced just because it just doesn't look right to me. Some of you experts probably would know that way before I would. Other than that, cosmetically, everything looks to be great. Knobs, buttons, everything's present. The case, wooden case, is beautiful. Looks to be in great condition, other than this one stain right here, which may or may not be able to be removed. I don't know, I haven't tried. Other than that, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and power it on and take a quick listen to the
Won't be like
tuner.
this for long, Darius Rucker, here on 96.9 WXBQ.
A little static when you change the volume. Other than that, sounds good.
Gift for the birthday bonanza winners.
Let's throw it over to auxiliary. I've thrown a CD player here on it.
In a language that everybody here can easily understand.
Other than that, that's really all I know to test. We can throw the headphones in. They also work really good here. I don't know if you can hear it. That's headphones A jack, and the B jack also works. So there's that. Sorry for the video. I'm obviously using my phone. Take a quick look at the back of this thing. It's a beast too. This thing is heavy. But everything looks clean. I haven't been able to check all of the inputs. The one I'm using obviously works just fine. Now, when it comes to the speaker jacks or ports here, all of the left speaker ports A, B, and C work. I could not get any A, B, or C to work on the right speakers. So that's something that someone with a little more knowledge about how to fix these things could take care of. So other than that, that's about all I know to say.